Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So, looking at that cat under there, I was making sure that wasn't my cat. I thought that was my kitty for a second. But I'm out here with the Dauntless bomber. This is the first one that I bought. I actually have two of these. This one is the one that I had to replace the motor in the front, and I also replaced that holder that holds the pop-off prop, and so it now accepts props from all of the 400mm Volantex Warbirds. So the whole series of props for that fits this now, and that's what I wanted to do, make the props more compatible for this thing, because it only had 3-bladed prop, and that 3-bladed prop is not compatible with the 400mm Warbirds. So that was the only prop that I had for it. Even though it never broke, it's really resilient and all, hasn't broken on me, but I wanted to try new prop options. So I have this bi-blade on here, I have a quad blade in my pocket. I'm not going to get to fly all of that. This is probably going to be a short flight actually, because I have to go to work, y'all. So I'm out here to test this. I've spent days, many hours across days, trying to trim this plane out perfectly so it'll fly straight and all, to fly it with my boxer. Got the boxer out here, and so I'm about to toss it in the air. I also had to make some changes or modifications to this battery bay here, right down in there. Hopefully you can see that. But this little battery bay pops off all the time, but it doesn't fit larger batteries in there. I had to shave a little bit from inside of here near the back where this servo is, to be able to make a little more room for a battery to fit in there, a slightly longer battery to give me a slightly longer flight time. Was looking for better flight time with this. Flight time is not bad though, but let's get it up in the air. Running my yap a little too much. So I was having all types of problems with it, flying it with this boxer, because it needed to be trimmed out manually. I had to manually adjust all of the crevices and everything.
Welcome to HTX.
Throttle is smooth. Okay, checking the surfaces. Everything seems to be correct. Let's toss it in the air. And it's flying. Wow, it's smooth now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It seems to be flying perfect, y'all. Both sides. I was having an issue with one side turning a lot further than the other. Now it appears to fly straight when I let off the throttle, and I can turn in both directions. And I was having an issue with the stock transmitter, flying it over here near the Home Depot and all, because there's a strong Wi-Fi interference. And so with the stock transmitter, it was having dropouts and all. Crashed this little guy a bunch of times. Y'all's working really nice. I'm loving it. I'm a little afraid to try to put it in manual mode. Even though I adjusted it, it should fly correctly. It should fly straight. Let me try. Oh no. Oh no, it went crazy, but I did gain control of it. It flies nice in gyro assisted mode. And the yaw's working really nice. Check out the yaw. That's a yaw turn right there. Takes a lot longer to make a complete turn with yaw, but when I mix it in with everything else, it turns really nice. Check it out. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in for a landing over here in the grass now. That was 0 throttle. Gotta take my tail to work. So I'm happy with the way it's flying now. Now that I manually adjusted the control arms and everything, the lengths are correct now, so it flies nice. Now I think I can really throw my EDF on to the Boxer and fly that, and it should fly correctly because they're on the same protocol. So really happy about that. Looking forward to trying to fly that what is it, the 9630 or 9631. One of those is the little EDF, the FX model, and so I'll get that in the air soon. It's the Dauntless bomber. Thanks for watching.